Hi, my name is Mark Lane, and I'm a consultant here at TayganPoint Consulting Group. Those of us that work in the life sciences industry, particularly in the research and development space, are keenly aware of the many challenges our industry faces today. In addition to rising costs and increasing regulatory scrutiny and complexity, the customer landscape, particularly for research and development, is changing. When I first began my career in the pharmaceutical industry, the ultimate customer was the prescribing physician, with the objective being to generate clinical and non-clinical scientific data to convince the FDA to approve the drug so the scientist or physician could write their prescription. In today's world, the focus is more on insurers, healthcare organizations, and patients. Now, most pharmaceutical companies would claim to be very patient-focused and very customer-focused, and indeed they are. They're concerned with how their drugs are performing for their patients. The concern that I have is that most of their structures, governance, processes, and tools are still being employed as they were 20 years ago, in a more vertically oriented or functionally oriented process designed mostly to get to FDA approval and not ultimately to serve the customers that they now face, which come much longer past FDA approval. In order to be truly customer-focused, one needs to develop a horizontal approach versus this vertical project approach or siloed approach. Looking horizontally across the various projects, focusing an end-to-end process on delivering the ultimate customer needs, both to the patient, the insurer, and to the physician as well. This will require businesses to transform their way of working. They'll need to move away from that vertical presentation to one that is more horizontally, thinking across the industry that they're working in. This will require a different skill set. Program management is a skill that we have very deep expertise in here at TayganPoint. Program management maintains a more future view, looking to customer satisfaction or in non-customer-based projects, something of driving value to the business. This is different than project management, which has a short-term view, focusing more on specific deliverables and tasks related to the project at hand. I believe the companies will need to develop a more horizontal program management orientation in order to be successful, not only in R&D product development, but also in their large-scale business transformations, as well as key strategic initiatives. And that is my Tagan point of view.